Your vehicle may have a push-button start ignition that allows you to start the engine with a simple press of a button. And if your vehicle is equipped with a diesel engine, it will require a little extra attention to start. Let me explain. For vehicles with regular gasoline engines, as long as you have your key fob on you, all you need to do is hold down the brake pedal and press the start-stop button to turn it on. Diesel engine vehicles are equipped with instant start glow plugs that help provide quick startups even in extreme cold conditions. To start your diesel engine, first switch the ignition on by pressing the engine start-stop button once. Next, press and hold the brake pedal to allow the glow plugs to heat up. You'll get a message in the instrument cluster telling you to wait until the glow plugs have heated up. Do not attempt to start the engine until the glow plug indicator in the instrument cluster turns off. Once it is turned off, continue to hold the brake pedal and press the start-stop button. When the engine starts, release the brake pedal. As a side note, to determine how long glow plugs need to energize depends on coolant and environmental temperature, as well as barometric pressure controlled by the glow plug control module.